Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your AirPods Pro 3. And basically we have two options how to do this. The first one we can use settings, and the second one is to use controls. And let's get started by use the settings. So settings, and your headphones should be connected to your phone. Then you will see headphones line at the top in the settings. Tap at that line, and right here we have ambient sound control. Right here we have ANC. Firstly we need to wear these earbuds to use ANC, and after that just tap at the ANC and we just enable it. To disable ANC you need to switch to adaptive mode or transparency mode. You can also enable normal mode by click at the off listening mode. Okay, and we should have, I need to disable hearing protection, so you will have the force mode off. This one is normal mode. Now, as I said, that we can use also gestures. By default, you need to press and hold the touch areas at your left or right earbud. Touch areas located on the sides, so right here and right here we have it. Now I'm going to press and hold. Now we use transparency mode. So from transparency I switch to ANC, and if you press and hold again, you will switch to transparency again, because by default it's set to switch using gestures only between ANC and transparency. But you can change it if you want to. You need to click at the press and hold, the left or right, and select to switch on also to adaptive. If we go to the right one, as you can see, we set it also for the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!